Hey guys, this is Tulan with Team Ronin. Today I want to talk about the highly anticipated, newly designed Ronin Assaulter Lite. When designing the Ronin Assaulter Lite, I thought about the unique mission of the Special Forces. How one piece of equipment had to encompass a wide range of missions and has to encompass every phase of the operation. So let's just talk about for infiltration or long mobility patrols. You're probably not going to be wearing your plate carrier. You're going to be wearing just a slick chest rack. Our Ronin Assaulter Chest Rack is adaptable to our plate carrier. So as you're moving along doing your long range patrol, you have the ability to quickly plus up on the Ronin Assaulter Lite, moving you to a lightweight patrol reconnaissance type of loadout to a medium-sized assault loadout. You know, when conducting operations overseas, we had to go from direct action operations to reconnaissance or strip it down to be able to conduct close quarters protection for high diplomats. In these type of scenarios, the Ronin Assaulter Lite would have been perfect for that, to be able to interchange and adapt it to the wide range of missions of the Special Forces. So on the Ronin Assaulter Lite, you could strip off the back panels, you could strip off the front panels, and you can really slick down this plate carrier to accommodate the Low-Vis missions. You know guys, so now you understand the adaptability of this design and how it's able to adapt to each phase of the operation. But I want to really go over some of the details of this Ronin Assaulter Lite that really makes it unique. So first, let's talk about the shoulder straps. The shoulder straps terminate with a Y strap design. And the reason for that is it forms to the shoulder pocket first and allows the shooter to properly mate his weapon onto his pocket. So he's able to mount that weapon onto his pocket and get a good shooter position. Second, the Y strap openings allows for the radio antennas to fully extend, keeping the radios upright to giving you better signal during communications. The design of the straps is locked together by a hook and loop attachments, and is also laser cut with piles on the top, allowing you to add different type of small pockets to your shoulder strap. The shoulder strap goes down into the front chest plate section, where you have Velcro, where you can put identifying markings, flags, IR flags, whatever you need to identify each individual assaulter. The laser cut piles allows you to weave in and out any other MOLLE pouches that you need to attach onto the chest plate. This comes with a front slick panel and allows you to, has two G hooks onto the front panel and allowed it to mate onto the connectors attached onto the plate carrier itself. So with the Ronin Assaulter Chest Rack, you can easily mount onto the front panel, replacing this slick front panel. All right, so let's talk about the Cummerbund. The Cummerbund terminates with the first spear tubes, and it goes into a really slick down laser cut piles, which any MOLLE style pouch can be attached onto this Cummerbund. We also are designing side plate carriers, so any side plates can also be attached to the laser cut piles as well. Now, once we move into the back, you're going to have some adjustment points. You have two configurations. You can put the Cummerbund over the zippers, not exposing the zippers. And I recommend this for like low-vis type of operation or personal protection detail, so the zippers are not exposed and it's more of a sleek down design. Also, you can have this other configuration where you're taking the Cummerbund and you're doing zippers exposed. The zipper exposed configuration allows for our back panels to easily be zipped on to these exposed zippers. All right, so let's move on to the back panel. When designing the back panel, we have a laser cut piles and we have exposed loop Velcro onto the top. This allows for our soldiers, it allows for identification marks to be placed onto the back, it allows for police officers to put their identification marks on the back as well. Also, this back panel is also cut with laser piles, allowing the user to attach any type of MOLLE pouches to this slick back panel. The back panel itself is designed and is lined with a pull-away drag handle. So like most designs, the drag handle is actually sewn onto the plate carrier. And what that doesn't allow is when the shooter is dragging a down teammate, it doesn't allow that space for mobility. With the extension in the drag handle, it allows for the shooter to get that distance away from the down teammate, allowing for more mobility during the drag. You know, I really like this drag handle design. It really allows mobility for the shooter for a down teammate. Now that we talked over the details of the design, now I want to show you guys, you know, a fully loaded out Ronin Assaulter Lite and what I would carry when conducting direct action operations. All right guys, so this is my basic assaulter loadout for a medium assault. I basically took my chest rack front panel and I was able to mate it to the front panel of the Ronin Assaulter Lite by hooking up the G-hooks and Velcroing in the front panel and be able to hook onto the Cummerbund with the fast tubes. If you look at the loadout design, I was able to add on single 5.56 magazines to the Cummerbund. Like I said, again, with the inside of the Cummerbund, you can see lining of piles where I can attach on side plates as well to it. Now with this configuration here, I had zippers exposed on the Cummerbund, allowing me access to the zipper panels. So with these blank panels that are also going to be available, you can add on different kind of configurations and you can have different type of back panels and you can quickly zip on different type of back panels to accommodate the needs of the mission. So the pouches that I like to wear on the back is, this is our newly designed GP large pouch that's able to accommodate just a big pocket space to accommodate all your mission essential needs. Along with that, we are designing our new pull away med pouch that's able to pull away on each side, ambidextrous, and is able to provide first aid for you or a down teammate. So that's going to come out pretty soon. And the large GP pouches are also going to be available at Ronin Tactics pretty soon as well. The back panel design has that loop line up to the top with laser cut piles. So it allows police officers or military to put on any identification marks on the back panel of the shooter. On the front and back panels of the Assaulter Lite, there are attachment points lined on the bottom. So these anchor points that are lined at the bottom of the front and back panels allow you to attach any mission essential items. All right guys, so last is, I don't have any cables running through here right now, but I really want to point out the cavities of the front and back plate carrier. So these cavities allow for the user to run wires, communication wires, unexposed to the front and to the back. I'll tell you guys, this is the overall design. Obviously, you can see the thought process went into this Ronin Assaulter Lite plate carrier. I'm really excited about this. Now it's available at www.ronintactics.com in different variety of colors and sizes. Make sure you check out the plate sizes in order to come up with the configuration of what size you actually need. Go off the size chart. We're really excited about this, guys, and thank you for all your support. God bless.